Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creation. Today is a piece that I did for Kathleen's COZ Creations. It is for her monthly challenge. So this is the complete video. It was well over 2 hours of raw footage that I'm bringing down to 15 minutes. So sit back and enjoy. See you at the end. This is Thursday Train with Just Janice and art by Julie E. So don't let the confusion of this being the challenge piece for Kathleen's December challenge. It kind of duplicating for both of us this time. So sit back, I'll see you at the end, and we'll talk about it.
I finished this piece. This I did off camera, and I'm like, yeah, I like it, but do I like it enough? So I'm gonna fiddle with it and see if I can make it better. On this side, I'm gonna do some multimedia work down here, maybe a little collage work. I want to make this into an Arizona sunset, so I'm going to work on that, see if I can get that flavor. So let's get started. I'm going to add some texture down here. Good thing about this COZ paper is once you glue it down, what looks like the white part will basically go transparent. So it makes it so that you can get a nice texture without adding a lot of different color. So I think I'm just going to go and add it here. I'm going to get rid of those little nibs and pieces. All of my brand new brushes I give to myself for Christmas, and I'm gonna do a little bit of getting some depth going in there. I do like that, like the feel of that. I'm gonna darken it up just a little bit. Okay, am I done yet? Not sure yet, but it's pretty close to where it's going to be. And overall, I'm not unhappy with it. I did get some vibrant colors, and I got some beautiful striation here in my sky. The addition of the multimedia with the COZ paper down here gave it more of a sand feel, I think. And the final two touches with the cactus and the steer skull, I think, brings it together with that Southwest flavor. Not sure if I'm done with that yet. I've got some cogitating to do on that. Maybe I'll go a little further into the multimedia side of this, but I think for now we're going to call it good. So that's it for today. I want to thank you very much for being here and taking this journey with me. This has been a multi-step process, and I got to tell you, I need to do more of these because this was a lot of fun. Creative juices were truly part of what's going on. So
Up next is going to be Just Janice, and then followed by art by Julie E. So let's stick around and see what they come up with this week.
if you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
I want to thank you for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. Until next time, bye for now.